Και είμαι Έλληνας και είμαι το πρόσωπο του DeKalb.
Et moi, c'est visage DeKalb.
Y yo soy la cara de DeKalb.
I am the face of DeKalb.
DeKalb 是我的家。
The face of DeKalb County.
안녕하세요. 저는 DeKalb 미니오주 DeKalb.
waxaan ahay wejiga DeKalb.
I am the face of DeKalb County.
DeKalb County government welcomes you to be in awe of the arts, take in a few tunes, and dine on the delicacies specific to DeKalb's diverse population. Come out to DeKalb's International Food and Music Festival on October 19th from noon to 6 p.m. at the Northlake Mall at 4800 Briarcliff Road.
Join us at the DeKalb International Food and Music Festival as we explore, embrace, and embody the many faces of DeKalb County.
Join us for family fun and great food as we celebrate the cultural diversity that makes DeKalb County so great.